We've seen a lot of dedicated e-paper products in our days, like e-book readers, luggage tags, and even remotes that have e-paper screens. This is an e-paper calendar, but it does a little bit more too. It's a little bit of a AI scheduler. It's a desktop portal, so to speak. This is the Nartick. Now, this is a review sample, so it's open, but this is the retail packaging, which you will to expect. They have their logo right there, and they have a very strong box, and that's important because this is face up against the world effectively, so you have that much cardstock between your screen and the shipping dangers that will await you once this goes on an airplane or a boat or wherever. So you get a USB-C cable, and this is full to C, and I really like the way they did that. They actually put it inside, they plugged it in right there so it doesn't move. That's awesome. I'm not even going to use that because it's so neatly coiled. I'll never get it back to there. Now, look at this. You have a stand. Oh, that's heavy. Oh man, I didn't expect that. That is very heavy. I appreciate that because a lot of the times we get these stands that come with ebook readers and different applications, and they're so light that they just tip over. I'm assuming this is going to be able to support it. You know what's cool about this? This is very Joan-y, the Joan 6, the Joan 13, etc. Except they give you a stand. Joan doesn't even give you stand. They give you some sticky pads at the back. This is the unit itself. Let's just explore the rest of the box. Okay, that's the rest of the box. I didn't know that was it. Let's put that off to the side. Here we go. This is mid-weight. It's not completely lightweight. It doesn't feel like there's nothing there, and it is built pretty sturdily. Inherently, e-paper screens are flexible, but it's always the device body portion that is not flexible. So if you get an ebook reader, you effectively could bend it, break the plastic, and the screen would still work. Do not bend it, we're just saying. This appears to be, you know what, we don't have any documentation, so I don't know if that is microphone or speaker or all three, maybe just multiple perforated accesses for different things. You do have, well, there's probably the speaker, and that's probably yet another microphone. That might be status indicator, different variations of colors. You have a button and a USB-C. I say button because I don't know if it's multi-use, if it's double tap, long press, 3-second long press, single tap, etc. The whole thing is built decently. I would say it's mid-range. It does have a little bit of a snap, a little bit of a hollowness to the back, almost like a kind of $60, $70 tablet. It doesn't have that tight of a build construction, and it's just monocolor. They don't differentiate between the bezeled part and the actual body itself, although it is beveled right here, so it does offer a little bit of a 35-degree sloping angle that goes down into the screen. It is not a flush screen and bezel. We don't know if this has any touch capabilities or anything like that, but we will do a first-time boot up just to see what it's all about, and then we'll get into a full review in a subsequent video. Alright, well, we got English, 2 types of Chinese, I'm assuming simplified and traditional because of the complexity of the Chinese characters, and we have Japanese, which we're not going to do, we'll just do English. We're not going to look too much at what this can do right now, we're just going to see if it has a drop down. Is this capacitive or resistive? Capacitive would be as if you touch something like that. Okay, I'm wondering if it is also resistive, so we're going to try to touch something with the pen. It is not, it is capacitive. So much like your phone, you would use your fingertips like that to interact with it. This looks promising, but for now, this is everything that comes in the box with the brand new EINK calendar Nartick. And this has AI integrations, this has microphones, this has scheduling, it's got Wi-Fi. We're so excited to see what this has to offer. We've never seen a product like this before. Stay tuned for the full review.